Imagine for a moment that you are a puppet. You wake up, you go to work, you buy a coffee, and you think this was my choice. But what if I told you the strings were pulled long before you even felt them? Most people walk through life in a trance. They react to triggers they don't understand and obey commands they never heard. They are blind. Welcome to the world of dark psychology. This isn't just about tricks. This is about the source code of human behavior. Today, I am going to give you the keys to the kingdom. I will reveal 5 psychological triggers that allow you to influence, manipulate, and control the decisions of those around you without them ever realizing you were the architect of their thoughts. A warning: these tools are dangerous. Once you know them, you can never unsee them. Use them to build or use them to destroy. The choice is yours. Secret number 1: the reverse trap. To control someone, you must first understand their need for freedom. Humans have a psychological defense mechanism called reactance. When someone feels their freedom is being threatened, their brain instinctively pushes back. If you tell someone, "do this," they look for reasons to say no. This is where the amateur fails. The master, however, uses the push to create a pull. Instead of demanding action, you imply incapability. Next time you need a difficult task done, don't ask for a favor. Say this: "I was going to ask you to handle this project, but honestly, it's extremely complex. I'm not sure if you have the mental capacity for it right now." Watch what happens. Their ego will scream. Their brain will instantly switch from resisting you to proving themselves to you. They will fight for the privilege of doing exactly what you wanted. You didn't force them, you made them trap themselves. Secret number 2: the illusion of choice. Control is not about taking away options, it's about designing them. Most people ask yes or no questions. That's an amateur's mistake, a 50% chance of failure. A master of psychology never asks if someone wants to do something. They ask how they want to do it. This is known as choice architecture. If you want a meeting, don't ask, "Can we meet today?" Instead, ask, "Should we meet at 3 p.m. or would 5 p.m. work better for you?" Both paths lead to your destination. By giving them the freedom to choose the time, you have subtly bypassed their ability to decline the meeting itself. They walk away feeling powerful, feeling in control, while they are simply following the map you drew for them. Secret number 3: the vacuum of silence. In a world of constant noise, silence is the ultimate weapon of power. The human brain is biologically wired to despise dead air. It creates an unbearable psychological pressure, an itch that must be scratched. When you ask a question and receive a lie or a weak answer, do not argue, do not speak, just look them in the eye. Maintain a neutral expression. The longer you stay silent, the more their anxiety grows. They will start to feel the vacuum. To fill that void, they will start talking. They will over-explain. They will reveal truths they never intended to share or make concessions they swore they wouldn't. Silence isn't empty, it's a mirror, and most people cannot stand looking at themselves for too long. Secret number 4: the emotional hijack. Logic is a slow, heavy machine, but emotion is lightning. When a human feels intense fear, excitement, or guilt, their prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that thinks logically, shuts down. This is the amygdala hijack. If you can trigger an emotion, you can bypass their intelligence. Politicians do this. Marketers do this. They don't give you facts, they give you feelings. If you want someone to agree to a deal they normally wouldn't, wait for a moment of high stress or extreme joy. In that emotional storm, their brain seeks the path of least resistance. They will say yes just to resolve the tension of the moment. Control the emotion and you control the man. These triggers are the hidden gears of the world. You can use them to protect yourself or you can use them to lead. But remember, once you wake up, you can never go back to sleep. You will see these strings everywhere. In your friends, in your family, in yourself. Subscribe if you are ready to stop being a puppet. The journey into the darkness has only just begun. I'll see you in the next one.